For the past 6 years of creating tech tutorials that usually require screen recording, whether laptop screen recording, tab screen recording, or a phone screen recording, one of the most essential tools for me and just anyone else who creates content like that is a screen recorder. I've just found the best screen recorder ever that you're literally going to ditch every other screen recorder that you're using for your laptop or computer screen recording. I'm going to be reviewing this tool in this video, and I would want you to watch to the end so you get the name of the tool and also get some free coupons if you want to get the premium version. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. So the last time I made a video here was, I think there was a video that was dropped before this one, and this is actually the second video for the year, and I forgot to say Happy New Year. So yeah, Happy New Year when we're already almost at the end of the first quarter of the year. My name is Fredrick. If you're tuning in for the first time, my wife and I, Bettina, we run Couple Talk Tech, where we create tech videos to simplify tech for just anyone. So if you're interested in tech tutorials, just wanting to keep yourself technically literate, you might want to subscribe to the channel, and do make sure to hit the thumbs up button so the algorithm can share this video with more people. Now we are talking about a new AI powered tool in this video that this is one of the most interesting video I'm super happy to make a review about, because yeah, out of most tools that I review, this is the actual tool that I'm going to keep using. Okay, calling this tool a screen recorder, just screen recorder, is like calling an actual smartphone just a phone without a smart. So this is an AI powered screen recorder called Focusee. Now the beautiful thing I said about it is that apart from the AI, the tool automatically tracks and follows your cursor. If you watch the previous video that was posted before this one, you notice the screen recorder I used was always kind of zooming into two things that the cursor is clicking on, so that it would be more dynamic, unlike every other screen recorder that is just static, and you have to edit to make it zoom into what you need people to see and all of that. This doesn't do that. Like the last video I did actually cut the post-editing phase or post-production phase by 50% because I did not get to edit that screen recorder. I just cut out the parts that I didn't want to even be there, right? So the screen recorder does not just offer screen recording, it also offers the editing part, and we're going to be looking at all of it in this video. I've opened Focusee. All right, now you can see you can record the full screen, that's the entire screen of my laptop. You can custom record, that's a particular part of your screen, and then you can record a window or a device. This is still in the beta phase. Now the beautiful next feature of Focusee is the teleprompter. All right, so if I click on teleprompter, I can just add in the teleprompter I want to be seeing while I am doing my recording. So I'm going to click on record. All right, and I can now go on to open up any window at all. So let's say that I've opened this window, so you can see that my face is over there capturing my face. All right, so I can take it up to wherever that I want to keep it. All right, and whatever thing I click on, it actually zooms in. You may not see it while you are recording, but you see it during the editing part. All right, so whatever thing that I just hover my cursor on, all right, it's going to zoom that in. All right, saving me the stress of actually doing that by myself. Okay, so I'm just going to take a very short recording of let's say what is Focusee. All right, and all right, so I click on this and read and so on and so forth. All right, now I'm going to stop recording here so that we go to the next part of Focusee that is really fantastic, and that is the actual editing part. Let's look at all the things that are inside of this fantastic AI tool. All right, now when you come over here, let's try to play first. So since I'm just going to play like 30 seconds of it, and you see what it looks like. So this is what I've just recorded. I didn't do any other editing. The AI did the whole job. Let's say that we want to do some addition. Maybe there was some part that I wanted it to actually zoom into. So when I click on this plus button, it's going to add zoom. So you see, it just zoomed in on this part. All right, maybe there was a place where my mouse was, all right, or my cursor was, and I wanted that part zoomed in. I'm just going to tap on the plus button, it zooms it in. You see, so it zooms it in. All right, now let's go to the other part of Focusee outside of that. So the first is the video enhancement part. So you can have original, or you can turn it to 16. So the original is already 16 by 9, okay, or you want it 1 by 1. All right, maybe you're creating for Instagram or whatever purpose you're creating for, or 9 by 16. So you can see how it is actually properly aligning the screen recorder and yourself. All right, now the next part, or you can have a custom canvas size or aspect ratio. Okay, now the next thing is fixed zoom part. Okay, so what this does is the part that is zoomed, it can just fix it in. All right, now the next is padding. Okay, the padding of that's increasing the size of your screen recorder. All right, but let's change it to 16 by 9. Okay, if you want it to be increased, all right, or reduce the padding. All right, now the inserts is now the stroke. If you want to add a stroke, so you can see how beautiful this is actually is. Now imagine yourself actually editing this by yourself using any video editor. All right, now the next part is the roundness of the screen recording, so you can reduce it, and then the shadow behind, you can also reduce that. Now if you don't like this background, you can actually change the background to anything at all that you want. All right, you can change the background to anything at all that you want, maybe to match your own brand. All right, you can do that as well. You can add a picture behind as a background. All right, now the next thing is what happens with your cursor. All right, now do you want the cursor to just look like this, or you want to change it to any color at all? You can also do that. Or you want a pointing hand, all right, you can also do that. However way you want to fix this. And if you want the color size to be bigger, you can do that as well. I can, imagine how long it usually takes me to actually put in these pointers when I use an actual ordinary screen recorder. All right, now the next part after this is the animation. All right, the zoom in, blur animation, and all of that. I want to quickly move to the camera. All right, so if I want to probably change myself from being the one talking to an actual AI avatar, I can tap on the AI avatar, generate one, or select one from here. All right, so I'm gonna try to use this particular avatar. Okay, so I've clicked on him, and then I'm going to tap back. All right, so I can select the background that I want, and then the microphone. Then I'm going to tap on generate. Okay, and it's going to automatically change from me to another person. All right, isn't this fantastic? All right, so after the camera, so if you want the camera to actually change, switch it to this way, you can do that, or however way you want the layout to be, you can do that as well. All right, now the next one is the layout. All right, if I want to add a layout however way I want, animated or anyhow at all, I can do that as well. All right, so going back, so if I want to remove or blur my background, I can do that. All right, or if I want to remove the background completely, I can as well do that. All right, I can as well do that. So it's currently doing that for me, but I need to move forward. Now the next part, beautiful part about this, is the audio control. If you had some background noise or whatever, you can also increase the volume. All right, mute your microphone, or add noise reduction, voice enhancement, and so on. All right, now the next part is the captions. So remember, instead of you to try looking for captions, you can simply tap on the advanced mode and generate the captions for your video. So next is watermarking. All right, if you want to add a logo into your video, all right, you can as well do that. So, and lastly is now our AI avatar. So if I select this guy now, okay, and have him replace me, okay, so you can see we now have someone else, myself. So once you're done, you can just come over here to export. All right, and you can see you can export at 4K, 2K, or 720, and so on. All right, and simply tap on export and then let the AI do its work. Go to the link on the description and find the link to download Focusee and let me know what you think about this tool. Like I said, this is literally the best screen recording tool that I've ever come across and I've ever used, and I'm going to keep using it. So let me know what you think about this on the comment down below, and remember, if you're yet to subscribe, do subscribe to the channel to keep getting more tools like this and other AI tutorials or tech tutorials in general. And make sure to also hit the like button so the algorithm can share this video with more people. With this, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.